Okay, we're working on this beautiful Ferrari 430 convertible. Then we look in the door. They made a pocket out of duct tape. So I guess they thought they were doing a good thing by protecting the speaker from getting wet. The problem is this stifles the speaker. The speaker cannot breathe. The speaker is designed to use the door as an enclosure. This does not give the speaker enough airspace. This will choke off all the mid bass. Wires were not soldered. Quick disconnects that fall right off. Passive crossover in the door. Velcroed in place. Butt connectors. The install wasn't bad, but the install does not match the quality of this vehicle, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna make it right. Okay, we're fixing some more stupid on this Ferrari. It's bad enough when they do a hack job and destroy some entry-level equipment, but when they destroy good equipment, it just hurts my heart even more. Check this out. Full Cow, one of my favorite brands. This part of the install was done properly, but I already showed you what they did to the inside of the door panel. And look at this poor tweeter. They actually smashed the grill in to get it to sit flush, so then the panel would go on. Wow. We work on a lot of these Ferraris, and one thing that always bothered me is the downward angle of the factory tweeter pod. They do a good job of making a metal bracket that takes the 6.5 and couples it to the door nice and strong, but then they go and do this up top. I've never understood that. Let me shut the door and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, with the door closed, you notice that the tweeter is angling down towards the center console, not up towards the driver. That is terrible. So what we're gonna do is with these new Hertz tweeters, we're gonna try and angle it in and upward, and then get the tweeter to sit in flush and look factory.